X's, going that way. Toes on X's. Shooters ready. Stand by. Gun hold, show clear, slide forward, hold trigger, holster. 1956, range is safe. 2 alpha.
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 Alpha Charlie.
Alpha Charlie.
2 alpha.
2 alpha.
2 steel.
2 steel. Very nice run.
19.
Nice run.
19.
You're done by like 12.
Shooters ready. Stand by. Slide down, hammer down, and hold still.
You can do that.
Clear. 2079.
2079. Yes.
2 alpha.
Unless they start really swearing a lot. I just listen on the camera. 2 alpha. I shot, I think, 4 times steel back there with the little one. Really?
2 alpha.
I nailed all my targets. Perfect.
Alpha Charlie.
Except I can't. All the targets to one spot.
There's always got to be one no-shoot in the group.
Then I got up and just finished the last one, the with the stripes. I did that one from the side. I was wondering if you could do that.
Always one no-shoot. Every frickin' time.
Ah, well, blame it on the jet lag.
Yeah, right.
Rob is our shooter. Bob, on deck. Patrick is in the hole.
I appreciate that.
Going hot, you may load.
I'm gonna go in there and keep some pictures tomorrow. Here, Bob, yes, they do. But you can get a refurbished, pre-used or whatever.
Shooters ready. Stand by.
Well, they rebuild them.
For how much? Very nice. Slide down, hammer down, and holster. Safe. 1291. 1291.
You've been 12 flat if you weren't waving your gun back and forth.
After I shot that second target, I never saw where that last shot went, so I went back to look to make sure the holes were where they were.
I saw that.
Clean run.
Yeah.